What is it? Your attention goes to which places is the point. You try to see around more. You see, first of all, in meditation you must discuss this. And there are many others who can tell you, they'll work it out. And secondly, the best way, you see, to put your eyes on the Mother Earth. Concentrate on the Mother Earth is the best way. When you are walking, keep your eyes on the Mother Earth. If somebody is talking to you, keep your eyes on the Mother Earth. You see, then you will absorb everything better and you will be stationed better. All right? It's a very good thing to think about, that our attention should not be frittered away. Gradually you'll settle down. I think most of you who have come for the first time will find it a little difficult in the beginning to adjust. But gradually you will. Because first of all our attention goes to small things like you have to sit on the ground, or you have to go by buses, or some sort of a filthy thing you see somewhere. So the attention always goes to the defects and the loopholes and to the filth, because attention has been like that. But then it starts going to the places of beauty. In little things you start seeing the beauty, in little things you start seeing the divine. And then that's the time you should know that your attention will enjoy everything. But normally you see the attention, especially the kind of attentions we have, goes to the wrong things. What is the loophole? We start judging everyone, we start judging every place. Now see this place, if you sit here, to me it is marvelous. To you it may be just made out of what, this tin business, this, that, all that you will start thinking. To me it's beautiful. Because I see these beautiful sari spread here and the beautiful flower arrangements beautifully done, something so special, and the background and everything done with such care. How did they go there and how did they have these things tied up? It's remarkable. All these things come to my mind and I start feeling very overjoyed that my boys have worked so hard to put all these things up, and how nicely, how they must have arranged it. All these ideas come into my head and I feel very elevated. I don't see the tins or I don't see anything else. It is what you see, where your attention goes. So try to see something beautiful. There's so many beautiful things that one can see. Now, what I see is the heart of my children, the way they have done it, isn't it? If you are a deep person, you can see how they have spread the saris sweetly, how they have spread the flowers, how they have done it. So it is the attention. Where does it go? When you start seeing for yourself, what is my comfort, I should have this, I should have that, then there is no joy. But the joy lies in seeing the deeper side of what they have done for us, how they have worked for us, how they have brought things for us, how they have cooked for us with love. You are doing no work compared to what these people are doing, no doubt. You are moving like royal people, really, to be. And they had to do it, especially Ganpatipura. It was a very difficult place. People had to come all the way from Nagpur, 50 people came to cook your food. Money is not everything. Even if you pay money, you can't do that. It's love, it's the feeding, it's the attention, it's the generosity of looking after the guests. And that is how one should enjoy how much they have done for us, how we are enjoying. That's how your heart will become deeper and deeper.